inspection today, and one thing that our customer complained about was just having low pressure to their kitchen sink. And we happen to live in an area with very hard water, which means calcium deposits can build up in the ports and really clog up this sink faucet head. But if you use vinegar, due to its acidic nature, it can break that calcium down and increase the pressure a very substantial amount. So this is the pressure we're kind of dealing with, and we're going to go ahead and take this kitchen sink apart here a little bit and go ahead and sit it in the vinegar for a little bit. So we've had our faucet sitting here for the better course of 24 hours. We're going to go ahead and reattach it and see how much pressure we might have regained. The threads on this only really need to be hand tight to form a good seal, so I would not recommend using channel locks or any type of wrench. And as you can tell, the vinegar worked actually really well as a home remedy to increase the pressure to our kitchen sink that we have.